We're in Paisley's room for the night, and we just got done putting up balloons.
And them on Owen's bed without waking him up, and you turned it on the lamp without him waking up. I thought he was gonna wake up, so I was trying to get ready to run out the room just in case he did.
He's gonna be so excited tomorrow. Tomorrow is Owen's day around here. We celebrate him every year, and it's a blessing to have him every year.
Second year without Bulldog.
Yeah, without Grandpa. It's okay. You should have worn your bun on top of your head. We could be bunnies.
Help me.
You need to brush your hair.
Okay. Ow.
Twins.
You can't even see mine.
Bunning.
My hair's so sore you can't even see mine.
Can you see it now?
Kind of.
Sisters.
Hi. There's Shelby.
Oh, that's super close.
I need to get closer.
Let's go to sleep, because tomorrow
Turn off the light.
is going to be a long party day.
Turn off the light, it'll be a cool transition thingy.
I can't reach it for a cool transition.
What?
I can't reach it.
No. Turn your body and turn off the light.
Okay.
Good night, everybody. Bye-bye. Mom.
Good morning. Do you have balloons on your bed?
Yeah.
It's Owen Day. Happy Owen Day.
What? Wow. Those are lots of balloons. Wow. Hey, Mommy. What's it doing today, Mommy? What's it doing today?
It's Owen Day today.
Why is it Owen Day? Look! Lots of balloons. Hi, balloons. Hey, Mom.
What?
Come here, look. This is another balloon right here.
Do you like it? Heart. A heart balloon.
Do you say, woo? And then they went way float. And welcome. Where you do? Hey! There we go. It's doing an old thing as well. And we're 20 once. Do you see? Woo! Mom. Mommy, see, dude said, woo! Now we get it. What? Hold on, I'm going to put back. Dude, dance just comes on. Oh, the other game. Look at it. Woo! Dance 5 times. Say woo! Dude. Dude. Oh, hold on. I'm going to get my flip phone. This exciting. Hold on, dude. Oh, how this? Mommy, look at it, dude's dancing with me. What? He loves someone's my buddy. Oh, what's that? Oh, dun, dun, dun. Woo! Dude say woo! Goes and does baby tell me on the body there was sound control about where data in a pocket. No, I'm holding your hands. Hi, baby debug. Dance, bro, dude. Woo! Oh, hold on to the other day.
Good morning, you guys. Happy MPS Awareness Day. We are just getting our day started. Owen woke up to a bunch of purple balloons on his bed this morning, and we have purple balloons all around the house. I actually buy myself like a few bouquets of flowers every year and put them around the house to make my heart happy. I feel like if you're struggling in any way, or if you are just needing a light in your day, you should do the same, because I never regret it. Having a bouquet on my desk and on my coffee table and in the kitchen where we always are hanging out as a family just brings a new light to the space that you might be needing during that time. So if you think that you might need a bouquet of flowers, go buy yourself some, because I'm pretty sure you deserve it anyway. Here, write O-W-E-N. Good job. Thank you. Our super sibling, Paisley, has been such a good help just setting things up for Awareness Day, and she's such a good sister to Owen. So I got her special little bouquet of pink flowers. It's her favorite color, and we're going to put it on her nightstand for when she wakes up as a little surprise. So today it is raining outside. I'm so bummed, although we don't have any plans whatsoever for this Awareness Day. So it is kind of nice to just be very low key, although the freedom of not being able to go anywhere just kind of stinks. I want to say a huge thank you this year specifically to our friend Andon and his deck hockey team. They all purchased Owen bracelets and are wearing them for their games today. Hopefully you guys don't get completely rained out, but if you do, thank you so much for your support. And I also want to say a huge thank you to the Coffee Society in Davenport for creating a smoothie just for Owen. Owen is obsessed with smoothies, and so they created and dedicated a purple smoothie just for him this year. So those are two of the places that are showing their generous support towards MPS and Sanfilippo this year. We are just so appreciative of you. So thank you so much for that. I'm just going to go outside real quick and check on the sign It's raining outside, so we couldn't put balloons out here or anything that we wanted this year, but oh well, we'll see. I did buy myself this purple wreath though. I'm glad I did that. Oh, the sign still looks good. And I put the purple balloons in the window so people can just see in the window, so that's good. Oh, thank you for honking at Owen. Owen, did you hear Jill honking at you?
Yeah.
She said honk honk. She said hi Owen, beep beep. Say thanks Jill.
Thank you, Jill.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Owen is in there now talking to Mama on FaceTime, and I just got Jude down for a nap, so I have a little bit of quiet time to hop on here and just chit-chat with you for a minute before our day gets started. Randy is at work today until about 3 o'clock, and then he is going to come home. Our oldest boy is going to come, and our middle boy has to work tonight, so there is an in-between time where we'll all be together for just a little bit. I'm hoping to get just a quick family photo of us all supporting Owen. This is our first awareness day with Jude, so that's fun.
Hold on, okay? I'm open it. And there is.
Happy Owen Day! Thank you, Jill. No, I just stopped by to bring you your favorite. I love you.
Thanks, Jill.
It's your special day.
Thank you, Jill.
What's it say on it? Happy Owen Day.
Owen Day.
And I also say,
What?
we love you. Wow.
Bye. Bye, Jill.
You are so lucky, Owen. You get a smoothie on your special day.
What are you doing, Mom?
I put your straw in it for you.
I'm going to talk to Nana now.
Let's go out here. Nana's still sleeping. Oh my goodness. How is your smoothie?
Good there. What is those?
Those are your balloons. Do you like them?
Yeah, what are we doing later, Mommy?
We're going to stay home today because it's raining and icky outside. I'm sorry it's icky outside. But that's okay, huh?
What?
That's okay. We'll spend a family day.
What?
How's your smoothie?
Good. What's those? What's those ones?
Are you dancing? Does the smoothie make you dance?
Yeah.
You're so lucky. You have so many friends that love you, Owen.
What?
You have so many friends that love you. Oh, did you get a brain freeze?
What?
Did you get a brain freeze?
Ow.
Is it cold?
Yeah, you put it in the fridge and it's cold.
No, it's already cold. You don't need to put it in the fridge. Here you go.
Hold on, right? Where is he? Where is Jacob at? He's at home, Mommy?
Yep, he's at home.
Need to drain, Mommy?
Yep, push it.
Hey, Jake, what are you doing today, Jacob?
Today is Owen's shirt today.
Jake, what are you doing today? Jake, what are you doing?
Sit here, relax, and play Roblox.
Hey, Jacob, show the toys, Jake.
Hey, look at Jake's shirt. Can you say cheese, Jacob?
Say cheese.
He said good job, boys.
Hey, Jacob. Hey, Jacob, I want to tell you something, Jake.
What?
Are you coming to Owen's house, Jacob? Jacob?
A different day he can, okay?
Hey, Jacob, are you going to play a game with me, Jacob?
Yep. How was your smoothie, Owen?
Good.
Look, say it's all gone.
All gone. Jill, you remember you got it? That's so funny.
What is he doing today?
What are we going to do today?
I don't know, Mommy.
We're just hanging out today, Jake.
Yeah. Relaxing.
Yeah, we're relaxing because it's raining outside.
Rainy outside. Hey, Jacob, are you coming to Owen's house, Jacob?
You want to go to Owen's house sometime? Yeah?
Hey, Jacob, are you show Owen your toys, Jacob?
Yeah.
Jake, show Owen your toys, Jake. What is Jacob doing?
Oh, he put his headphones on. Owen, let's finish talking to Jake. He just wants to know that you guys are there breathing with him sometimes.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, we'll plan another day where you guys can play, okay?
Hey, Jake, are you like big or small, Jake?
Bigger. All right, do you want to tell Owen goodbye? You want to have a good day. Goodbye.
Are you ready? Yeah. No. We're still in our jammies. We make it dress. This year for Awareness Day is so special because we have Jude with us, and Jude actually just turned 9 months old yesterday. So between the both of the boys, it is just a special day and a special weekend to celebrate, and we're going to have some fun, right? Let's show everybody how we give kisses. Kisses! Oh, hug first. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. I'm gonna get the boys a little snack. I swear we have like 2 to 3 breakfasts before the day even starts, but they've been really good. Owen just had a smoothie and his second breakfast, and I'm gonna give Jude one of these little apple banana teether things. They are amazing. They just suck on them and they dissolve just like puffs. So nice. Busy a lot longer than puffs. I feel like it dissolves a little bit slower. See, it keeps me busy. Yeah, and it's very tasty. Tastes like apples and bananas, right? Hey, Owen. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Okay.
You have live music today, starring Brother Owen.
I will jump again. Oh. And when I did I will jump again. Oh, and when I did I will jump again. Oh, again. Mom, that comes out and dance, okay?
Yeah, you can keep dancing.
One more time, okay?
Shake your booty, Owen, shake your booty. Woo!
Okay.
Good morning, sis.
Hi.
Owen represent. Fresh out of the shower.
This is... what's this?
Okay, hold them on your lap, and I'll hold George right here. Put your DVDs on your lap, and you hold George in this arm. There you go.
I like that one.
There.
I love it.
Don't you smile.
Oh, why? I'm not doing that.
Here, let's put George down. There you go. Okay, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Oh, let me fix your heart.
Heart.
You gotta turn it this way, heart. Turn it this way.
Come on, heart.
Come on, heart. Come on. Do you like the balloons?
Yeah, but I need blue plume.
Oh, blue squeeze balloon up there?
Yeah.
Are those purple balloons for Owen?
Yeah. Yup. Yeah. Yes, Mommy.
Yes, they are.
Yeah, I love those bubbles.
Yeah, me too. They're so pretty.
I did glasses on and the hat.
Come over here so I can put these on you. These are super cool. Go on your back right here. You got your suspenders and your glasses and your hat. Put them on and we'll take a picture.
No. I want to put this glasses on.
Your glasses on?
Yeah, and my hat.
And your hat on. So cool. And we can put these glasses over on top of those glasses. Look. There you go. Can you see me better now?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go up here and we'll take a picture.